Met Caerdydd ydy'r unig dîm i guro'r Seintiau Newydd y tymor yma ac roedd y myfyrwyr yn meddwl I bod nhw ar eu ffordd i'w gwneud hi eto wedi Jack Field sgorio gol gyntaf yn y cyngred wedi dim ond 4 munud yn neuadd y parc. Ond 4 munud barodd y fantais cyn I bas hyfryd Ryan Brobl ryddhau Josh Daniels a cynta'n sgwario at Declan McManus I rwyddo 20 gol y tymor hwn. Mae'r Seintiau eisoes wedi selu'r bencampwriaeth ond gyda rownd derfynol Cwpan Cymru ar y gorwel tydi Craig Harrison ddim am adael i'r safon ostwng ac wedi llai na 20 munud roedd Josh Daniels wedi rhoi'r pencampwyr ar y blaen. A 5 munud yn ddiweddarach roedd hi'n dair wedi Redmond dorri'n glir a gyrru'r bêl dan ddwylo Alex Lang. Unwaith eto leni, mae Declan McManus ymhell ar y blaen ar restr y prif sgorwyr y cyngred ac fe gafodd ei ail am y prynhawn cyn yr egwyl I 6 gol mewn 2 gêm yn erbyn Met y tymor yma. Ar ôl ennill y bencampwriaeth y penwythnos dwytha am yr 11 tro ar 10 yn ei yrfa, dathlodd Chris Marriott gyda chwip o gig crydd. Ac ymunodd Sislevich yn y chwalfa gyda'r 6. Cyn I Gwion Dafydd sgorio'r 7 I ddod â chyfanswm y Seintiau I 96 gol gyngred y tymor yma, gyda 20 o'r rheini yn erbyn Met Caerdydd.
Craig, you won a goal down after, was it 4 minutes, but you bounced back in some fashion?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, it was very disappointing. It was a poor goal. We've had a look at half time and I was obviously disappointed to say the least, standing on the side after 4 minutes at home to go 1-0 down. But yeah, I think after the first, I don't think we're great for the first 10 minutes, but once we got after the first 10 minutes, I thought we played really well, passed the ball well, created lots of opportunities, keepers made some good saves, and we've wasted a few opportunities ourselves. But to score 7, like I said, you look back at the back of the league fixtures, etc. Not many people score 7 against it twice against Cardiff Met.
Credit to TNS, they're the epitome of a high level of maintaining standards, and they could have easily thought today that we'll take a day off, but they didn't. And it's credit to them. It's very hard to be harsh on our players. We can be critical, but when you look at them maintaining high standards, it's up to us and the rest of the league really to maintain their high standards, more consistent, and we weren't consistent today. I'm a big believer in principles, and if the principles aren't respected, it catches you out, and too many of our players today didn't respect those principles.
Ie, ddech chwip o greisiad I mewn gan Ryan Brobl, a mae'n siŵr bod ti'n braf chwarae fo chwaraewyr o'r ansawdd yna?
Ynddi, ti'n gwybod, maen nhw fo quality ni di rwat eisiau. Otha, pel yna, dy keep yn gwybod be'n neud efo, a wedyn o'n i yn amser iawn. A
wedyn rwan, yna 4 gêm ar ôl, a wrth gwrs, ffeinal Cwpan Cymru, ti'n gobeithio gyda ddechrau un o'r gêm yma sy'n dod I fyny?
Gobeithio gai, ond gan I fel sut fyddai'n training y felly, ond just gobeithio, os dwi ar y fainc, just o don yn neud beth dwi'n neud.
Yeah, so 8 points behind Connors Key, who are in second now. Do you think that's too far to catch? And if Penabont don't win that appeal, it's going to be a good fight for third?
It'll be a good fight for third, yes, and that's not saying we've given up on second, but it'll be a good fight for that third spot, and being respectful of Bala being involved in that as well. And maybe it might be a little bit too late for Newtown. That's not disrespecting them. So it's going to be a really good last 4 games of the season. For us, if you look at it, we've got them out of the way. Everyone else has got to play them. So it can be philosophical in that perspective. But it's really thinking about today and thinking about what we can learn from today and making sure that we don't do that again with the remaining 4 games.